Hi, my name is Chris Walker. I can help you produce sun-protective clothing here in Vietnam. Follow me to learn more about the debate between sunscreen and protective clothing to reduce skin cancer around the world. So like me, I go out of my way to get out in the sun. What advice do you have for me as far as like getting enough vitamin D or just getting a good dose of vitamin D? How should I do it? Should I just stay out for 15 minutes? Should I sweat? Should I not sweat? Is an hour, naked, just with a pair of shorts out playing tennis too much?
There's a lot of controversy with the vitamin D. One controversy is that the range of vitamin D that we're supposed to have is not accurate.
By the USDA?
Yeah. There's some questions around that. Obviously, since most of us are not agricultural workers, we're not outside anymore. We're inside a lot. That we are not getting vitamin D. I mean, almost everybody that I've seen get tested for vitamin D, it's always low. So why are there so many? Is it there's so many people that don't have vitamin D, or the numbers, or the
range,
the normal range, is that off? So there's a lot of controversy there. Also, being in dermatology, the thing about being in a specialty is specialties have one way of looking at things, and that's just the way it is. But you really can't do that. You really need to look at other sides. Just like you just can't take this story, you have to listen to the other side of this story. So my advice on that is go out and get some sun. If you get 20 minutes on your 20 minutes of sun on your hands, arms, and face, that will provide you with more than enough vitamin D processing. And getting more than that is not going to make a difference. It's not going to be better. It's not going to be worse. It's not going to be better. Now, how true that is, I don't know. This is information that it's been a long time since I've read up on it. It's just don't get so much that it burns your skin, and that you start to see changes that are causing damage to your skin. But dermatologists also often say, well, get the vitamin D from the food, So, like you see things like milk, it's vitamin D fortified. You'll see items, like cereals, vitamin D fortified. So they recommend getting the vitamin D from the food.
Got it. Thanks for listening to the end. Contact me if you want to learn more about producing sun protective clothing here in Vietnam. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.